So let's actually write a minimal version of a manifest. So if you go to Chrome Extension Reference and Manifest, you can look at all this like minimum manifest, register content, and all that. Demonstration of manifest. What we are going to do is to write something like this. Okay. So yeah, you can just copy and paste, but I am old school. I prefer to show you, like, hold your hand, do that step by step, so you get a more comfortable feeling of how to just writing the code. Okay, so the input is Espanol, so I'm going to change that to just the normal ABC, not US. Okay, so the manifest is a JSON file. That means that you are going to write your first JSON. If you're just getting started, I'm going to make myself a little bit smaller, so let's get started. So JSON file, so basically is be composed of parentheses. Okay, so that's a typical JSON file, and what we're going to do is to add this one by one. As you guys can see, the AI is so smart, it automatically generates things, and it saves us a lot of typing time. So manifest version 3, that's good, and then the rest, name, of course, we can add name ChatGPT assist. That's not what we want. Okay, so what we are going to do is to just do this myself. Okay, name, that's good. Name extension, that's also good. But I want to make like my first RIPA extension, my first RIPA extension. Okay, my first RIPA extension. Okay, and then of course you're going to write the version number. Version number start 1.0. Basically that's what I suggest. But you know what? I want 1.0.0. So basically, if some of the feature, and I can just go. So 1, 2, and 3, and all that is a major update. I'm going to say 2.0. I think this is just a testing stage. So 1.0.0. Okay, and then description. That means that you're going to write, what can this better describe your extension? You can say, well, my first RIPA, that's good. So what we are going to do is to go here, and then description. I think that's good. So I'm going to just tab everything, and I don't want this action. So let's just hold on that a little bit. Right now, this is just the minimum version. Okay, without adding anything else, this is already finished. Okay, if you just save it here, right? You just save. You can right now run this. Okay, and I want to get rid of this because I want to get the end of this JSON file. So manifest name version description. Before we actually run this, I want you to look deeper and just to look at the format a little bit. Okay, because if you look at there, the JSON file is composed of a curly bracket. Inside curly bracket, it's kind of like a dictionary. Okay, there is a certain name and then certain value, certain name, certain value, certain name, certain value, separated by comma. Okay, before that is the name. After that is the value that is stored. Okay, that's a typical JSON file. It's very good for storing and transferring information. Okay, once you do that, Command S to save it. So basically, we got a manifest.json file already stored. All right, that's good.